My name is Chiagozem Ofo, and I will be talking about Abia Nshi, the African mystical sound. Abia Nshi Eke is actually a traditional heritage and significant traditional icon of Eke community in Enugu, Igbo origin, Nigeria. It is a hand drum to celebrate an ancient war victory with their adversaries. Traditionally speaking, African drums are the heart and soul of most African communities. In many African, drum possesses a more profound communication and historical significance. They announce birth, celebration, death, and marriages. Drum is about communication and making music, two essential characteristics of community life. Do well to enjoy Abia Nshi, the African mystical sound.